Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your Mazda MX-5 fuel cap. First, make sure your vehicle's doors are completely unlocked. The fuel lid is linked to the central locking system. Then, walk to the rear driver's side of your MX-5 and locate the circular fuel filler lid. With a gentle push on its edge, the lid should pop open, revealing the fuel cap underneath. It's a simple first step to getting ready for your next fill-up. Now that the fuel lid is open, it's time to remove the cap. Turn the fuel cap counterclockwise, about 1/4 to 1/2 turn, to loosen it. You might hear a slight hiss as pressure equalizes. Wait for this sound to stop before fully unscrewing the cap. Once removed, you'll find a convenient holder on the inside of the fuel filler lid where you can securely place the cap while you refuel. With the cap safely stowed, you're ready to refuel. Carefully insert the refueling nozzle all the way into your MX-5 filler neck. Start the pump and allow it to fill the tank. The pump is designed to stop automatically when the tank is full, so there's no need to try and squeeze in extra fuel. Overfilling can cause issues, so always stop when the pump clicks off. After refueling, it's time to secure everything. First, replace the fuel cap by turning it clockwise until you hear at least one distinct click. This ensures a proper seal. Next, gently but firmly press the fuel filler lid back into place until it clicks shut. Give it a quick check to confirm it's flush with the bodywork and securely closed before you get back on the road. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.